You walk into a car dealership with enough money to buy either a used BMW or a Toyota Corolla. Now, be honest. How many of you will buy a Toyota Corolla? Exactly. You see, most people see the BMW logo and suddenly start imagining themselves arriving at a family's gathering like a CEO. But what they don't imagine is seeing themselves arriving at a mechanic's shop every 2 weeks. Today we are talking about cars you should think twice before buying them used. Why some luxury cars are a financial nightmare, and why cars like Toyota and Mazda keep winning year after year. Buying a luxury car is not a problem. You find yourself online, scrolling through Google looking for a second-hand luxury car. And then suddenly something pops out. You see a BMW worth 80,000 that is sold at the same price of a Toyota Corolla, which is 18,000. So what you do is you immediately run and put on your account details and boom, you purchase the car. So the problem is, people always feel like this is the chance, I'll get the chance. This is a steal for the money. So my friend, let me tell you something. That is exactly what the previous owner wanted you to think, because luxury cars depreciate faster than a New Year's resolution. Let's start with something simple. A Range Rover, for example, once you have it, it's like you are dating someone extremely attractive. Someone who's amazing at first, and when people see you walking with them around, you feel special. You feel like life is good. And then it hits you. You realize that you cannot always maintain that beauty. You have to do something. You have to make sure the makeup is around. You have to make sure that this person keeps a good, healthy body. Then one day you discover maintenance cost. And suddenly, you're questioning all your life choices. They are comfortable, I agree. They are powerful, they are beautiful. But once things start going wrong, that's when you realize that your wallet is crying. Now, let's talk about the BMW. BMW makes fantastic cars. In fact, some of the best driving cars in the world. But buying an old BMW without a fair budget is like adopting a lion because it looked friendly in a documentary. At first, you're excited. Then reality arrives. The engine starts, the engine lights come on, a strange noise appears, the mechanic starts smiling. And when you see a mechanic smiling, you just know that the mechanic knows exactly you're going to have to pay fees for his key. The other luxurious item on the list is the Mercedes S-Class. This is a car that has been adorned by many. You see the Mercedes Maybach, the Mercedes GLS, these are good classic cars. But now you're going to purchase it at a second-hand price. Now the S-Class is incredible. I agree with you. When it was new, it had technology that normal cars would not have had in the next 5 years. But now, it's already 5 years, and someone is selling it to you. Then that's when you'll find yourself buying a car that has no value, because you find that almost all the sensors are dead. Or maybe this guy replaced one of the windows with something else, second-hand material. So you realize that you're going to give out more expense in the value of that car more than what you would buy it for. Now, the problem is 5 years later, all the technology is now dead, and the technology is wonderful until it's broken. Then you'll find yourself Googling, can a car survive without 17 sensors. My friend, the reality hits you harder. It can't. Now, let's talk about the hero of this story. The Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is not exciting. Nobody has ever stopped the traffic because I used Corolla passed by. No. Nobody has a poster of a Toyota Corolla on their walls at home. But you know what is exciting about the Toyota Corolla? It starts. And it starts every single morning. A Toyota Corolla is like, if it is a Monday, it doesn't care. The Corolla doesn't care if it is raining. A Toyota Corolla doesn't care if you're broke. It just works, and that's the good thing about a Toyota Corolla. And honestly, to some people, we can say having a Toyota Corolla is like having a cheat superpower. The next car is the Mazda Demio. A Mazda Demio is a car that quietly minds its own business. It's fuel efficient, reliable, affordable, and actually to make it easier, it is very easy to maintain. The Demio is like that responsible friend. So, which car should you buy? Look, I'm not saying never buy a used car or never buy a luxury car. What I'm saying is if you have money for the maintenance, go for it. Enjoy yourself because life is short. But if your entire budget goes into buying the car and there is nothing left for repairs, you're taking a gamble. Because a cheap luxury car can become a very expensive luxury car very quickly. Meanwhile, a Corolla or a Demio might not impress strangers, but they might save you thousands of dollars every new year. And personally, according to me, I'd rather have money in my account than a fancy logo on my steel car. Now, I want to hear it from you directly. If I gave you money today, would you rather buy a used BMW, a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, or you can rather buy a Toyota Corolla and keep the change? Let me know in the comments if you bought a luxury Mercedes-Benz or a luxury car. Explain to us the story. Was it a dream come true or a monthly subscription for your mechanic? If it helped, if this message helped, I would like you to hit that subscribe button, comment, share, and stay tuned for more updates like this ones. Goodbye.